Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming with another tutorial and a second video of my Galaxy series. If you haven't checked my previous video, I would leave it linked in the description box below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more weekly videos and inspiration. And now let's just go ahead and start today's tutorial on this painting. Today I'll be reusing this 12 by 16 inches canvas, and I'm just starting off by layering my plastic cup. For colors, I'll be using my standard white paint mix, which is Artist Loft White mixed with Floetrol and satin enamel. Then I have Prussian Blue by Liquid X Basics. From Artist Loft, I have Copper and Deep Magenta. For my gold, I mixed up Orteza Gold with Metallic 20K Gold by Handmade Modern. I also used a tiny little bit of Champagne Gold by Deco Art. All my paints were mixed with Floetrol, no silicone, and then to the Copper, Magenta, and Champagne Gold I also added some water. When I'm done with layering the cup, I'm adding some white on the canvas to help the paint flow, and I'm just doing a straight pour with the paint that I prepared. Depending on how you want your painting to look, you can get different looks by pouring your paint from a different height. I'm usually mixing it up a little bit, but most of the time I'm keeping the cup close to the canvas. To finish off the painting, I make sure that I'm covering all the edges and I remove the excess of the paint from the bottom side of the canvas. After that, the painting is ready to dry. I am so pleased with how this piece turned out. It's probably my favorite so far that I've created because there's so many details to look at and all the colors go so well together. I hope that you liked this tutorial. If you have any suggestions for my next videos, don't forget to leave them in the comments down below and I will see you in the next one.